Good afternoon. In today's video of marketing for class 12th, I will discuss session 2 in unit 2. The name of session 2 is factors affecting price. Till the time we have done unit 2 started with pricing. We have done meaning, definitions of pricing, objectives and importance of pricing. Now here is the second session. It means session 2 in unit 2, that is factors affecting price. So as we know, factors are some conditions which can affect pricing. Okay. The decision, here it is written, the decisions related to price and pricing policies of firm are affected by several factors present in marketing environment. Okay. So we many times we can have to see many factors. Usually these are studied under two categories. Usually these factors have two categories: internal factors, external factors. Here is a diagram. You can also go through this diagram. Simple. It is for pricing decisions, internal factors, external factors. Here is the description. So just remember which are the factors affecting pricing. These are two factors. Just remember this. Factors means conditions which affect pricing decisions. Okay, so these are two factors, internal, external. As the name suggests, internal means the factors which are inside organization, external the factors which are outside the business control. So internal factors we can say micro, these are micro in nature, means small. External factors we can say macro, means big in nature. So here are the description for both. Internal factors are those factors which are within the control. Within means under the control of firm up to a certain extent, means firm के control में है. As I told, these are internal or micro or inside organization factors. So these factors are, here are 9 factors for internal factors. These are further classified as, the factors can be discussed as following. So in internal we will consider objectives of firm, role of top management, cost of the product differentiation, marketing mix, size of the organization, location of the organization, nature of goods, promotional programs. So internal factors, first of all we will consider objective. First हम देखेंगे what we have to do. What are the objectives? Objectives must be SMART. Just learn a term, SMART, S-M-A-R-T. SMART stand for specific, measurable, achievable or attainable, realistic and time bound और timely done. So objectives कैसे होने चाहिए? Specific होने चाहिए, measurable, attainable, realistic and time bound. So objectives के लिए term याद कर लीजिए SMART. So objectives भी हमारे pricing को decide करते हैं, determine करते हैं. Top management का role determine करता है what will be the price. Top management I have discussed initially also. Top management means higher position staff in organization. For example, CEO, Chief Executive Officer, MD, Managing Director of company. In schools and colleges we have principals. In country we have President, Vice President, all are top. Similarly, in any company or business, here is a top management which will decide pricing. Next, cost of product. Yes, it will definitely affect product. If cost is more, means expenses are more, everyone will have high price. Every manufacturer or marketer will keep high price. Similarly, if cost is low, expenses are also low, then price will be low. Product differentiation means how much variety we want in our products, how much changes we want to do, how much modifications, then we will have to set high price for that in product differentiation. Marketing mix, simple, we are studying this since many time. Marketing mix is the collection of 4 P's, 4 elements: product, price, place, promotion. So product, place and promotion also affect our price. Okay, all 3 affect last price factor. Size of the organization, yes, it will also affect our pricing. Size, if it means if big company, very big company is there and production is done at the large scale, बहुत बड़े पैमाने प्रोडक्शन होगा, देन कॉस्ट कम होगी, सो प्राइस विल ऑल्सो बी लो. If company is very small and it is having so much expenses, then price will be high. Simple. Location of organization, yes, it will also affect price. Means in Pilibhit it is a small location. If we will sell anything here, so we will keep price low because it's a very small place. But the same product if we will sell in NCR like Delhi, Noida, then we can keep price high. So location, village, rural area or urban area also affect price. नेचर ऑफ गुड्स मीन्स हमारा कौन सा टाइप का प्रोडक्ट है. अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रोडक्ट नेचर वी कैन ऑल्सो सेट हाई और लो प्राइस. एज वी नो फॉर लग्जरी गुड्स which are obviously very costly, so everyone will keep high price. And the products which are for every kind of people in our country, like in our society, like upper class, middle class, lower class, then we will set moderate price for social welfare purpose. Promotional programs, it means if we are doing so much promotions for any product, we are doing so much advertisement, then our cost will increase, then we will set price high. We will have to set price high. Similarly, if we are not doing so much expenses on promotion advertisement, then we can keep price low. So these are internal factors. Very easy. These are the factors which are inside organization. Like top management is inside organization. Objectives, costs, marketing mix, size of organization, all are internal objectives. Internal factors. Sorry. Next, external. As its name suggests, external means outside. So external factors are forces which are beyond control of the firm. फर्म के कंट्रोल के आगे हैं, फर्म के कंट्रोल के बाहर हैं. We can't control them. These are situational factors. These are discussed as following. Here are 6 factors. Like first, demand. It means market demand or customer demand. Simple. If product is selling in a good quantity, means customer demand is high. So here it is written, the market demand for a product has direct impact on its pricing. It means if demand is very high, then price will be also high. If demand is low, price will be low. And also here is an example. For an instance, if demand for a product is inelastic. Inelastic means no change. अगर डिमांड चेंज नहीं हो रही है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन केस ऑफ नेसेसरी गुड्स लाइक मेडिसिन्स में क्या होता है, इफ़ प्राइस हाई है बट यू नीड मेडिसिन, यू आर वेरी सिक, यू आर हैविंग एनी मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम, देन यू विल डेफिनेटली बाय दैट मेडिसिन. और सस्ती हो जाएगी तो ऐसा भी नहीं है कि फ्री मतलब मीन्स मेडिसिन सस्ती है सो यू विल ईट अनरिक्वायर्ड मेडिसिन ऑल्सो. ऐसा भी नहीं है सस्ती हो गई तो ज़्यादा मेडिसिन परचेज़ करोगे, महंगी होगी तो मेडिसिन परचेज़ नहीं करोगे. सो फॉर सम प्रोडक्ट्स डिमांड इज इनइलास्टिक, प्राइस कुछ भी हो चेंज नहीं होते. सो ऐसे के लिए डिमांड चेंज नहीं होती है, प्राइस चाहे कुछ भी हो, सो ऑलवेज उनका प्राइस हाई होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेडिसिन आर ऑलवेज हाईली प्राइस्ड बिकॉज दे आर नेसेसरी गुड्स. एंड ऑल्सो हेयर इज सम एग्जाम्पल. बट इफ़ द डिमांड फॉर अ प्रोडक्ट इज इलास्टिक, डिमांड बार बार चेंज हो रही है, डेट इज चेंजेबल इन रिस्पॉन्स टू चेंज इन प्राइस. प्राइस चेंज होने से डिमांड चेंज हो रही है. द फर्म शुड नॉट फिक्स हाई प्राइस, आइदर फिक्स लोअर प्राइस टू ग्रैब मोर और मेजर मार्केट शेयर. मीन्स अगर हमें लग रहा है कि हमारा डिमांड इलास्टिक है, चेंज हो रही है बार बार, सो ऐसे में प्राइस ज़्यादा नहीं रखना. कुछ प्रोडक्ट नेसेसिटी प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए वी कैन फिक्स हाई प्राइस बिकॉज डिमांड इज इन इलास्टिक. एंड इफ वी सी डिमांड इज इन इलास्टिक if we see demand is elastic, चेंज हो रही है, then we will have to fix low price. Demand has direct relation on price. Next, buyer's behavior. If we are thinking that customer is particular very loyal to our company, he or she is coming again and again to buy any product from us, then we can set high price. For example, if we can see luxury cars, we are seeing that people are buying from our company that product, and these are the symbol of their prestige, status or utility, so we can set high price for according to buyer behavior. Okay? If buyer is our regular customer. Competition, after seeing competition in the market, we can set price high or low according to competition. Usually in competition it is better to set low price than our competitors, In that way, we can attract more and more customers in our organization. Raw material or input suppliers. Supplier is a person who supplies us raw material. For example, if we want to make sugar from sugarcane, so sugarcane is provided by supplier. Simple. If sugarcane is costly, then price will be also costly for sugar. Sugar भी महंगी होगी. Sugar cane is costly, then sugar will also be costly. So simple. If we are getting raw material on high price, then we will set the price high for finished goods. Next, prevalent economic conditions. Yes, we will check our economic condition also. कि condition economy में क्या चल रहा है. If there is inflation means everything has become costly. महंगाई बढ़ना. Inflation means हर चीज़ महंगी हो रही है. So definitely we will set price high. But if deflation is there means हर चीज़ सस्ती हो रही है, then we will set low price. Government regulations. On some goods, government can also pressurize to set high or low price. In that way, we will have to follow government rules. If government is giving pressure for some goods to sell, for some goods to not sell on high price. For example, LPG. Government is not pressurizing to set high price, so we can keep moderate price so that upper class, middle class, lower class, all class of people can buy it. For some goods, we can set high price like luxury items, jewelry, cars, prestigious stones. We can set high price also. So if government pressure is there, we can set low price.